So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I did a chit chat get ready with me video on this red glossy eyeshadow look. And you know, glossy everywhere, you know, no dryness over here, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can get to 100 subscribers. Make sure you turn my post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a new video, which is, you know, you should be notified anyway because it's Monday at 2 p.m. But like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, share with your friends, your family, just, you know, share me or whatever. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So I'm just gonna be doing a like chit chat get ready with me. I'll just be talking about my life right now and like what I'm going through. Let's start on the eyes. All the products I'm going to be using are going to be listed down below, so yeah, check the description box if you want to know what products I'm using. I want a bold look today. I hope this pink doesn't stain my eyelids. Okay, what was the first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about? Okay, so I'll talk to you guys about school. Since I was working like the first part of the semester, I didn't do that well, but I did, you know, good enough. I'm satisfied with my grades, like I'm straight. I feel like a whole bunch of other people had like easy classes and a less heavy course load than I did. I had 15 credit hours, but it really felt like I had 18. It was like so much. What else? So we are on break right now. Y'all probably know that already. And I haven't really been doing much, but I've been going out every day, but I haven't been really doing anything. I bought a whole bunch of clothes for Thanksgiving break and I didn't wear all of them or even close to all of them. But for Christmas break, literally I bought not that many clothes and I've been going out like every day. You guys want to know what I got for Christmas? My mom got me an Apple Watch. She shot me this slap cat. I always wanted one, but never had the coin, so thanks, Mom. I love this filming setup much better. I wish I could do this. Like I wish this is my regular filming setup. Summer, I'm telling y'all, I have my internship, I have another job, and I'm still gonna be filming, and I'm gonna be taking a class in the summer. Yeah, I'm really on track to graduate. I think I'm gonna be graduating in 2020. So class of 2020, that's me. It's only been 3 minutes and I've run out of topics. What was I just talking about? I'm not sure if this is like hot pink or red, but I like it. So what else should I talk about? As my birthday is coming up, when it's coming out, it's gonna be a new year. So happy new year, guys. I want to talk about my new year's resolutions, or what I want to accomplish this year. So like I really want a 4.0 this semester. I feel like I cheated myself last semester, like I wasn't working as hard as I knew I could work. So 4.0 this semester is really the goal. Like I'm trying to get A's, A pluses, no A minuses, because you know that's a 3.667. Yeah, but I'm trying to get all A's. I want to go to the gym more, but that's like every year. What else do I want to do this year? 4.0. I really want to get involved like on campus or whatever, like be in a club or something, because since I was working like literally like 4 days a week, the rest of the time I was sleeping and doing work, I was so wore out from this semester or from last semester, and I couldn't find it in me to go anywhere or do anything or be involved. But I feel like I'm gonna be more involved. I'm gonna just make the time. I want to get 100 subscribers like beginning of this year or whatever, and I'm gonna get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year and 10,000 plus views by the end of the year. Like that's a goal. You are not already subscribed, you're tweaking. Like, what are you doing? I want a new job. I know that sounds crazy because you guys know I had like 17 jobs in the past year, but I want a new job. I just feel like when I'm not working, I'm not using my time productively. I know I could just use my time productively, but it's not that easy for me. Like I have to be constantly doing something on a daily basis to like be involved. I don't know. But anyway, like my birthday is coming up. My birthday is January 17th. So it's like 2 weeks from now. I don't know. I'm excited, but this is like my first time being away from a home on my birthday. So like I don't know. I'm iffy about it. Like, and my anniversary is coming up. Look at me looking like a gloss little potato. A potato. Potato. Oh my god, this looks crazy. Maybe I shouldn't use this for this way, but I don't care. Foundation. Hopefully it mixes in with my foundation and looks nice. We're praying for the best. This really looks like rose gold and it's bronze gold. Did y'all just see that foundation drop? Oh my god, it dropped on my leggings. Guess I'm not wearing those out today. I went to Ulta, I got a couple things. I got like a new moisturizer, new cleanser, new eyebrow pencil, cause Destiny broke mine. Thank you, Destiny, if you're watching this. Thank you so much. Oh, but I got a new concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond. Imagine me with 10,000 subscribers. Like, I have 80 right now, like 80 something. But wow, 10,000 is a lot. I'm gonna take the contour in the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. I did a review on this. If you guys care to watch, you know, it's the popping thing on my channel right now. It's not acne right now, it's ruining my life. Mom, you're ruining my life.
You ruined my life.
Acne, you're ruining my life. Look how glossy my forehead looks. Yes. Said I wasn't gonna contour my nose, and I lied. Is it locked? Yeah, it's locked. How did it lock? What? I look like a new person. What did you guys do with Shelby? Where did she go? Yeah, I was saying that I'm finna do like a dramatic lash. I don't know how to get this open. Let's oh, slide. Who am I? Well, I look super glossy. I didn't even put on highlight yet and I look super glossy. So for highlight, y'all gonna be shooketh when I pull out my Jackie bag. My Orders Couture Jackie bag. I had to go buy her bag and her collection. This is my little bronze. And then, you know, I had to go get the LaPeach, baby. You already know I'm about to be using LaPeach highlights. Oh, shook. I'm shook, ladies. Oh my god. Jackie did not come to play with y'all. Look at the LaPeach. Look at the LaPeach. Oh my god. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Oh my god, Jackie, you did it again. This, like, I'm shook. I'm shook F. Oh my gosh. I am shook. I can't even talk. Wow. I'm a baddie. I be thinking I'm somebody, Jackie. No, you didn't. I'm a whole new woman. So this is the finished look, and if you like me doing chit chat, get ready with me, let me know. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. This is my red glossy lid, nudish purplish lip. You know, still got the slap cap on, keeping me tight. You know, I got LaPeach on, you know, looking nice, brightening all my spots, my cubes on my nose, my cheeks, my forehead. Like, LaPeach, thank you. But anyways, that is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn my post notifications on, like this video, show me some love in the comment section, and then I will see you next week. Bye.